Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Windows 11 updates with Microsoft account, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your device is connected to the internet. Click on the Start button located in the lower left corner of your screen. From the Start menu, select Settings, represented by the gear icon. In the Settings window, find and click on Windows Update in the left sidebar. You will see the Windows Update screen along with available updates. If updates are available, click on the Check for Updates button. The system will search for available updates. Once the search is complete, you may see a list of updates that can be installed. To install the updates, you may need to sign in to your Microsoft account. If prompted, enter your Microsoft account email address and password. Follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate your account. After authentication, return to the Windows Update screen. Click on the Install button next to the available updates. The updates will begin downloading and installing automatically. You may be asked to restart your computer to finalize the updates. If required, click on the Restart Now button. Your device will restart, finalizing the installation of updates. Once your computer is back up, you can check for any additional updates if needed. That concludes the process of authorizing Windows 11 updates with your Microsoft account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.